It does, and it's helped our temperatures warm up pretty significantly. We started off the day at 31 degrees. Now we're at 54. Believe it or not, we're 2 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. And really the thing that's helping us feel more comfortable, not only do we have bright sunshine, but you'll also notice winds have been calm throughout the day. If those were gusty, we would have felt much worse this morning. Across the board, we're sitting in the lower 50s, so definitely a light jacket kind of day. As we head through the overnight hours, you're going to see cloud cover start to work in. That's going to prevent us from cooling down very efficiently. Now, still going to be a cold morning, but we're talking about 5 degrees warmer than this morning, so no freeze problems. And Andy, this is just the start of our warming trend. More details coming up. Air temperature has warmed up into the lower 50s. Right now, 53 here in Houston. Down on the island, they're cool, 46 out in Galveston. Across the board, as we go through the overnight hours, we're not going to be cooling down quite as efficiently as last night. You'll notice an increase in cloud cover, actual air temperature plummeting through the 40s by tomorrow morning. Here in Houston, waking up in the upper 30s. We put 38 degrees, which means no problems with freezing, no issues, but it is going to be cold out there. So planning out your Tuesday, plan for some extra jackets for those kiddos. Over the next 3 days, you'll notice temperatures start to warm up. Tomorrow, starting in the upper 30s, warming up to 64 degrees. We're going to be back into the 70s by Wednesday and Thursday. That's also when we can expect our seasonal winter sea fog to move back in, and rain chances both Wednesday and Thursday. Now, we're not expecting anything strong, no flood threat, but it is going to be a bit inconvenient. Let me show you our future track, because as we head overnight tonight, expect to see an increase in cloud cover. That cloud cover acts like a blanket and is part of the reason why we're not going to cool down as efficiently. By Tuesday evening, you'll start to see some rain chances moving in. These rain chances staying with us into the morning on Wednesday, which means extra time for driving. That's going to be a must as we start off our Wednesday morning. Now, through the day on Wednesday, on and off light rain chances are possible. And quite frankly, this is even going to continue as we head into Thursday as a cold front finally pushes through the area. Once again, mainly just light rain chances, but behind it, we're going to see much nicer, cooler air moving back in. That means we'll go from the 70s back to the 60s for our Friday. Very seasonal, but once again, it's just not going to last long. By Saturday and Sunday, back into the mid and upper 70s. And if you're curious about Christmas, our temperature outlook isn't looking very festive. In fact, the majority of the lower 48 expected to be well above average, including us here in Houston. In fact, this is the first show where Christmas Day is now on our